So I have a request here to change your final grades over to a pass-fail scheme so that they can be exported to Banner. So here's your traditional gradebook setup with some assessments: Test 1, Assignment 1, Quiz 1, Test 2. These are set up in the traditional DC standard percentage scheme, and the final calculated grade is showing a percentage. So here's what you need to do in order to switch it over. You need to pull down on this action netting. You need to click on Edit, and you'll see here in the grade scheme window, you want to pull down and you want to pick your pass-fail and what you have set it at. In this case, it's an apprenticeship class, so it needs to be set at a pass-fail 70 pass. Scroll down, you can leave everything the same until you get to the save and close. And at that point now, you're going to see that your final grades and your final calculated grade shows as a pass. Unfortunately now, the student will only see their marks in the assessments, and they'll see their final calculated grade as an F or a P. If I go here and I adjust this first assignment and give them a mark of, say, 35, you'll notice here that the final calculated grade turns red and an F. So my suggestion now would be to go to the Manage Grades area, create a new item, scroll down to Calculated, and in here you can type in final mark as a percentage. You can have your scheme set to percentage DC standard. Click off which grade items to include. Have this as a final grade calculation, and save and close. Now when we go back to our Enter Grades area, you will see that the student now will see Test 1, Assignment 1, Quiz 1, Test 2, their marks and what they're out of, and they'll see this final mark as a percentage, so they'll know that they have 68% in the class, which equates to a fail. If we adjust this and we move this to, say, an 860, save and close, now the student has an 80% in the class, reports a pass, and now when we go to export to Banner, we should be okay because the course has been set up as a pass-fail type exporting. This concludes the tutorial on how to change your final calculated grade to a pass-fail grading scheme.